Psalm 94, 1 through 13. God, put an end to evil. Avenging God, show your colors. Judge of the earth, take your stand. Throw the book at the arrogant. God, the wicked get away with murder. How long will you let this go on? They brag and boast and crow about their crimes. They walk all over your people, God, exploit and abuse your precious people. They take out anyone who gets in their way. If they can't use them, they kill them. They think, God isn't looking. Jacob's God is out to lunch. Well, think again, you idiots, fools. How long before you get smart? Do you think ear maker doesn't hear? Eye shaper doesn't see? Do you think the trainer of nations doesn't correct? The teacher of Adam doesn't know? God knows all right, knows your stupidity, sees your shallowness. How blessed the man you train, God, the woman you instruct in your word. Providing a circle of quiet within the clamor of evil, while a jail is being built for the wicked. Father, this is the cry of all generations. God, put an end to evil. Avenging God, show your colors. How evil and corrupt have the leaders of nations become. And many innocent people around the world want to know how long you will let this go on. It is amazing the level of disregard that many have for you and your word. Many truly believe they can get away with anything. Well, think again, you idiots, fools. How long before you get smart? Of course, Father, nothing escapes your knowledge, and that goes for all of us. I cannot form the words to reflect how thankful I am for your training. You so lovingly guide by your Spirit and your word. And for those moments that I try things on my own, you are there to correct, showing me the right way. Thank you for drawing me to your side. Amen.